it's time for Christmas, and Christmas is my favorite time of year. It's beginning to look like all my wishes are coming true. That's why I cheer. I've been busy decking the halls. I've been kind to big and small, and now it's time to have a merry holiday. What a feeling when it's time for Christmas. Let's sing a carol and we'll bring it here. I guess that's
Hi everyone, and welcome back to Chelles Glam Home. Well, today guys, I'm excited to share the International Christmas Wreath Challenge. I'm co-hosting with some amazing friends to see all your DIY Christmas wreaths. I hope you enjoy. Joining me today is Mom Does Life Handmade, Kiki from Kiki's DIYs, Jenny and Diane from Deco Easy, as well as Style with Pat, and Ruth from Kentucky Fried Fun. Now I shopped my own home guys for ideas for my Christmas wreath. I have this old grapevine wreath that I picked up from Kmart last year, as well as these dollar store white flowers.
Now it's time for Christmas, and Christmas is my favorite time of year.
Now each of my flowers have a little stem, so what I'm going to do guys is just simply tuck it into the grapevine wreath.
Are coming true, that's why I cheer. I've been busy decking the halls. I've been kind to big and small, and now it's time to have a merry holiday.
You're going to continue to add the flowers around until the entire circle is complete.
Let's sing a carol and we'll bring it here. Let's sing a carol and we'll bring it here. Let's sing a carol and we'll bring it.
Now once the wreath was completely covered, I then went round the outside for a second layer. I continued the flowers until the entire wreath is covered. Now I'm going to make a bow for my wreath, guys. Now you know I'm a little obsessed with leopard print at the moment, and you can imagine my delight when I discovered this leopard print ribbon from Spotlight. Laying the ribbon flat, I'm going to open it up about 7 centimetres wide, and what I'm going to do is just overlap it 4 or 5 times.
These are the good times with you, baby. This year it's just gonna be you and me.
I'm then going to trim it off, and then I'm going to bunch it together in the middle.
Supposed to be making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close.
Taking a small piece of wire, this is what we're going to secure the middle with. So I gathered it together in the centre and tied it in place. Once it's secure, I'm going to fluff out the ribbon. I'm then going to take another piece of ribbon, guys, this time about 30 centimetres wide. I'm going to overlap it at the centre, hot glue that down, and that is going to be the underneath of our ribbon.
And when we wake up in the morning, I'm gonna play those carols that you love. We'll be singing all the melodies until the sun comes up. These are the good times with you, baby. This year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire.
once the two pieces are glued together, I'm then going to hot glue them to the top of my wreath. I'm going to take one of these adorable little Christmas ornaments. Now it has a clip, and I'm going to clip that to the centre of my bow to cover the wire.
Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, oh. La, 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 la. Oh, oh, oh. La, da, da, da. Making our Christmas memories. Yes, these are the good times with you.
I then took a little cute dollar store Christmas tree, and I'm going to hot glue that to the bottom of my wreath.
Just you and nobody else. It's so good to see you again. To see you again.
Guys, I absolutely love how this was such a simple and inexpensive DIY. I love that I did a very simple design here, guys. I love that I could possibly use this again throughout the seasons. I could just remove the Christmas tree and the little ornament, and I could have a spring wreath, or possibly one for winter if I added some pom-poms. The possibilities are endless, guys, and it's entirely up to you.
Our Christmas memories. Hold up, I am on my way. I'm in motion. Let's go to the ocean. Yeah, let's go outside.
Guys, sometimes wreaths can be quite expensive to purchase, but this simple and inexpensive DIY was so much fun to create. And the best part of all, guys, it cost me less than $15 to make.
We'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart.
I really love how I used neutral flowers here, guys. I love that my leopard print bow really stands out against that white flower backdrop. I love that I could possibly change this out as well throughout different seasons by just changing the bow. The possibilities again, guys, are endless for you. And with simple ideas, you can create this wreath as well.
In Christmas times. Oh, and the sunset, it is just getting better on a blanket with the skyline painted in blue. Ooh, yeah, that's what we do. We'll be chilling and having a good time.
I've started here with my DIY fur box. This year, guys, I took off my previous bows and added the leopard print as well as the gold bow to the box. And I think it just styles so perfectly with my decor for this year.
Hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sanctuary. Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart. Here we go. All right. Dance, dance, now this Christmas, we're gonna dance. We're gonna dance, 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 come on. Dance. We're gonna dance, dance, have a good time. Dance, dance, all night long. We're gonna dance, dance, and have a good time. I think Santa's gonna come and join us in this song. Doesn't matter if the
Guys, a big shout out to my sweet friends from around the world for letting me co-host this wonderful challenge. Please go and check out their channels, which I'll have listed down below, as well as the playlist of all the other amazing participants who have participated in this challenge.
angels in the sanctuary. Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart.
So thank you so much for watching, guys. I truly hope you've enjoyed this video. I hope I've inspired you when it comes to decorating with Christmas wreaths.
All the Quidditch be forgot in orange shine. We two have run about the slopes and picked the daisies fine. We wandered many weary
to like, share and subscribe to my channel because I'll be back real soon with more DIY projects, inspirational ideas and room tours here at Chelles Glam Home. So until next time, my friends, I thank you so much for watching and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye guys.